Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sav. If you're returning, thank you so much. Sounds a little bit echoey, but we are actually in my new flat. Just kidding. So anyway, if some of you don't know, which probably won't actually because I've not updated you in a long time in terms of work because I haven't really needed to address anything, but I'm actually an assistant project manager for a developer locally. So my role basically is project managing development projects, if that makes sense, like construction process and all that stuff. And we're actually at one of our developments, and this is one of the finished flats, which I am absolutely obsessed with. Have said from start to finish that this would be my flat as a joke, but yeah, it's finished. So I thought I would give you a flat tour because one, I love watching people's flat tours. Two, let's pretend that this is my flat, and three, it's just beautiful, so why the hell not? So that's why we are a little bit echoey, but yes, anyway, I hope you enjoy this video and let's get into it. When you first come through the door, you are greeted by this, what I think is a gigantic hallway. We've got some beautiful artwork. So all of this furniture is from the staging company that we use, which I will link down below. Obviously it is kind of local to where we are. But yeah, just obsessed with this setup, and this mirror is my favourite. So yeah, we've got like a nice big hallway and like a little table here. But the guys at stage are very, very good. So, you know, very, very good at what they do. But yeah, it's just a huge hall, which, you know, I can't be complained about. The star is because the staging was actually from like pre-Christmas time. So, you know, keeping on theme. But we kind of have another kind of hallway here. So leading into this door, we have the living room. And then through this way, we've got the 2 bedrooms and a huge double door utility space, which again, obsessed with. I'd probably have washing machine and tumble dryer in there. Boiler's just there. But yeah, absolutely obsessed with that. Nice little under storage space, and we've got the bathroom through there. So I think what we'll do is we'll head into this bedroom first. So this is bedroom number 1. Lovely little setup. I think if this was going to be my flat, I would probably have all of my wardrobes in here. And then maybe like a smaller bed. You could obviously build in the wardrobes if you wanted to. I'd probably have a built-in one there. And then I would probably build one in that corner, I think. But yeah, so obviously it looks absolutely gorgeous here. Don't know why I'm zooming in, let's zoom back out. Nice little wooden tables. And yeah, it's just, like I said, all of this furniture is from the staging company. So none of it is ours, but again, just a lovely and very good sized bedroom, considering this is a 2-bed and usually get like one gigantic one and one smaller one. This is actually the smaller one, so the main bedroom is this one, and I absolutely love it. Like, it's just huge. I don't really know if you can get it from that, but it is just massive. So again, we haven't got wardrobes or anything in here, but if you wanted to, again, you could always build in like a unit here, or you could even build it along this wall. Which is actually probably a better idea because you could kind of build it along there, and then you could have, because of how big this room is, you could definitely have like a media wall here, which would be really, really nice to put your TV and stuff in, and you can always like build in some storage with it. But yeah, the views are kind of, we won't get too close in terms of where we are, because that is actually a school there. So good links here, but we are in Churchdown, and if you don't know where that is, it's in Gloucestershire, so it's between Cheltenham and Gloucester. So it's like great links to motorways. Then we have the bathroom. I absolutely love these bathrooms, and yeah, we decided to go, so originally we didn't have these massive size mirrors, but I know if it was me living in these, then I just need a huge mirror, and I think it fills the space really, really nicely. It just finishes it off. And again, we've got kind of like, I actually love these units. Really handy. Obviously that needs doing, but we'll come on to that later, so that's all fine. And this one has a bath and shower, so the 2 beds do have baths in where the space can accommodate. And obviously you've got the frosted glass, so no one can see you in the shower or taking a bath, which I don't think they really would there. But yeah, this is the bathroom, and like I said, absolutely love it. So that's that. And then we have this little setup here. Again, not sure where any of this is from. I can always find out and link bits down below, but this is definitely a bit of me, this mirror, if it was bigger. But I do like these tables, wherever she's got those from. And then we head into the kitchen living space. So first of all, you have your kitchen living space, dining table over there. This probably isn't how I would have it set up, although it's probably not far off actually, if this was gonna be my flat. I think that's a nice use of the space. Although, I don't know, I feel like you could get a nice sofa in there, and then maybe like a dining table in the corner, but I do like the size of this one. And if any of you know how large my family is, then we do need a big table, but obviously this wouldn't sit all of us, but you know, it is lovely. And obviously loving, I think this is called Pompous, but it just falls everywhere. But yeah, love that, love the royal blue. What I'll do is I'll put on the CGIs that we had drafted as well, so you can kind of see how we've gone from like a concept to creation, if you like. And obviously there's no TV in here, so again, this isn't exactly the setup, but again, I do like how we've got like a little chair here. I'd probably go with a bigger corner chair, to be honest, or maybe like one of those big round kind of cuddle chairs, and then maybe some artwork behind. And then we come onto the kitchen. So in this flat, I especially love it because it's kind of actually separate from the kind of living area enough by this kind of wall, and it's kind of tucked in out of the way, so that's what I really like about this. It does feel kind of separate even though you are in a flat, so it's a really good sized kitchen for what you get. Again, all of this is staging, so please ignore. And obviously you've got the under counter lights, which is just very bougie, and then we've got spotlights in the kitchen, so lots of unit space, lots of storage. I'm pretty sure there's a dishwasher here. Yes, we've got a nice big dishwasher that comes with it. Now this flat is actually sold, which is obviously fantastic. I don't know where I can put you to kind of talk to you. Let's see, let's put you in a cupboard. There we go. So, yeah, so this flat is actually sold. This one went on the market for this one went on the market for 280, which is quite good. So we had a bit of a difficult time. So although the location is absolutely great, it's highly sought after, very difficult community to get into because it is quite a close-knit community. And there isn't anything similar to what we've done here in the area. So we didn't really have any comparables, but we knew we could get good money for them. And yeah, it is good money. So this went on for 280, but we did actually accept an offer on this for, what was this? I think this one we accepted 270. And then we've got basically an identical layout below, and that one has also sold, but it's not actually finished yet. But that's good, and obviously it's ground floor. So this is first floor. There are 3 floors. You've got ground, first and second. Let me know if you want to see another vlog of the other flats, because the ones upstairs are slightly different, because they have got slanted roofs. I don't know what the official technical term for that, which doesn't sound great because I'm project manager, but I don't know if you guys will know, but if you don't, I don't have a construction background, so everything I have learnt to date, or I'm continuing to learn new things every day, is like from scratch with no previous knowledge. So that's fun, but I absolutely love it. And where I actually come in handy is a lot of the legals, in terms of literally the conveyancing processes, a lot of the things to actually set up being able to do developments, and all the planning permissions you need in place, just looking into like all of that. But we do have like a massive team of professionals that do all of that. So usually like the architect sometimes submits, or more often than not will submit like the planning applications and stuff, but it's having someone that is able to kind of decipher that information and then roll with it and see, or make it all come together. Whereas my boss kind of focuses on like the investors, securing those for the jobs and projects that we want to do, securing the funding, which eventually I will go on to do, because I have got like a mortgage background, which is good, and I did really enjoy my banking background, so that will come in handy later on. But yeah, that is kind of where I slot in quite nicely, and he needed someone to come see the day-to-day so he can go off and do his other things, because this is not his only business. He has a huge branch of businesses off the back of this, but I feel like I'm going on a little bit on a rant, but just for some context for you, that's the kind of setup. So yes, as I said, this one is sold. This is my favourite one out of all of them. It's just huge, you know, I could just picture me and Billy living here and living life to the best. So yeah, I thought I would come and do you like a fake flat tour really, but yeah, we do have other ones on the market, so if anyone is looking randomly in the area between Chatham and Gloucester, or Gloucestershire area, or if you know of anyone, then please let me know down below. I will also post some links. So this is marketed with Move, which is again a local estate agent here, and yeah, but they are absolutely gorgeous. So like I said, we have already got 2 sold, and it's not really gone onto the market properly. We kind of put some feelers out there to see if the asking prices that we wanted would actually get interest, and we've had a lot of viewings. Like I said, 2 sold, and yeah, more to go, and we haven't actually finished the project yet, so that's exciting. This is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Also, if you do want more kind of work related content, because my job is very interesting and every day is different, and we do actually have some more flats that we are developing in Gloucester on the docks, if anyone's familiar with it. So that will be up and coming to market soon, which is exciting. I can give you a tour of that and show you what that's looking like. But yeah, we have lots of projects. We have another project starting in April in Cheltenham. So yeah, we are extremely busy, and I love it. Like, it's just so good. So let me know if you want more work vlogs. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.